Did you know a night janitor once prevented a nuclear disaster that could have killed millions? Jake Martinez was cleaning floors at the Riverside nuclear plant when he noticed something terrifying. Maintenance crews were signing off on safety inspections without actually checking the reactor cooling systems. The deadline pressure was so intense, they were falsifying critical reports. When Jake looked closer, he found stress fractures in the cooling pipes that could cause complete system failure. A meltdown was just hours away. He knew photographing the evidence could land him in federal prison on terrorism charges, but millions of lives were at stake. Jake secretly documented everything and contacted the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. Plant security arrested him immediately. Federal agents investigated his entire background. For days, he sat in isolation, wondering if he'd destroyed his life. Then NRC inspectors confirmed his worst fears. The reactor was on the verge of catastrophic failure. Today, Jake works for the NRC Safety Division, the hero who chose courage over comfort.